Hello traders and welcome back to Newton FX Academy YouTube channel. So if you're new to the channel guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I go by the name King GK. I'm the CEO of Newton FX Academy. I'm here to give you guys new and fresh stuff to develop your trading career guys. I'm trading for more than 4 years now. I'm here to break down this beautiful pair that I was just sending out for you guys in the free Telegram group. So if you're not in the free Telegram group guys, ask yourself what are you doing. The link is in the description box down below. So let's get into this beautiful trade setup that I was sending out for you guys for free in the free Telegram group guys. So let's just go over the overall what was basically going on. As you guys could see, this was basically the pair that we was trading, GBP Aussie dollar. So I'm just gonna start off from clean charts guys, so you guys can understand the whole picture. As you guys know by now how we're doing it here at Newton FX Academy, we always start from naked charts. That is how we go. That's how it always goes, right? We're never gonna show you guys just blinks and blinks. No, I'm here to add value to you guys, right? I'm here to give you guys something for free that you guys can take and that you guys can apply once you watch this video. So what we can see on the overall condition and market flow on this pair is that guys, price did create this higher low, right? Price did continue to the upside and then create this new form of a higher low, right? There we can see that price did break to the downside and then break structure and did create this new form of a lower low, right? Price retraced back, right, and then continued to the downside, did break under this structure area, right, and did create this new form of a lower low. Now we can say that okay, on our weekly time frame we basically bearish. This is my lower high point and this is my lower low point here on my weekly time frame, right? Because why? We did break structure, we did create this new form of a lower low, right? So now you guys could see on our weekly time frame, right, this is going to be an area of interest where our weekly lower high structure point is laying. As you guys could notice right here is that price did come up in a really impulsive way to the upside, but look at how this candle basically engulfed two of our previous two weekly candles, right? This candle alone was basically engulfing two weekly candles. So if we scale down to our daily time frame right now guys, is that on our daily time frame we could see that price did create this lower high, right, come to the downside, create this lower low. Price did come to the upside, run into this area of imbalance. As you guys could see, price did basically starting to form this consolidation, then continue to the upside, form a beautiful descending corrective formation, and then break structure out of this previous lower high structure point here into the market. Price did form this higher low and then create this higher high. There we can see price did extend this move to the upside and then create this form of a new higher high, and this is our new form of a higher low. There we can see that price did break structure under this previous higher low structure point and price did create this new form of a lower low. So if you guys don't understand what does market structure mean, please go check out my previous video that I was posting yesterday about market structure. It will help you a lot guys, so please go check it out. So this is what I will mark as my lower low structure point, and this is the area that I will mark as my higher high, because right, this is our higher high. Price didn't create the lower high yet, right? The only time when we will say price did create this lower high is then if price break out of this lower low, right, and then retrace back and then continue to the downside, right? But still price didn't create this lower low. So now what I would look for is basically I would look for resistance as well, right? So this is the area of resistance on my daily time frame. You guys could see the price breakout, retest this, create this level of support, continue to the upside. Now price continue to the downside. Now this is the area of resistance for us, right? You guys can see that price respected, come to the downside, giving us this beautiful daily engulfing candle. So let's scale on to our 4-hour time frame. So what you guys could see on the 4-hour time frame is that price basically run into this area on our daily resistance, right? We can see that price did form this doji candle. We have this bearish spinning top in there. We have this engulfing candle, and we can mark this area right here as an area of a higher low structure point for us, right? And this is also an area of support for us, as you guys could see, right? So let's scale on to our 1 hour time frame right now. So on your 1 hour time frame right now, guys, is what you guys could see is that price did run here to the downside, did break out of this previous higher low structure points, it did create this lower low, right? Price retraced back, and there, once I saw we have this strong bearish engulfing candle right there, I did send out this trade, right? I did send out this trade, and I did say that we must keep our stop just above here, right, for some form of liquidity grab right into the market. So just fix this right here, right? We did have a stop just right there, and this was our first target area, right? Reason for this is that this was my previous area of support as well, and this was my second target area here into the market, right? So this was a beautiful trade setup, guys, that I did send out into my free group, guys. The reason for that is so you guys could see this was an area of support where price did push from, right? So as you guys could see, that price did come into here, and I know a lot of you guys was basically taking this trade setup that I was sending out. It was around 37 points, 37 points. It was around here where I basically closed some of my positions, right? Because right, reason for that is this is also an area of support where price did basically come tap into, right, and continue to the upside. So this was an area as well, and this was my final take profit area. This was my lower high structure point as well. That is why I did mark it once we're starting to break it down, guys. So this is it for this simple breakdown, guys. As you guys can see how transparent I am with the markets. I've been doing this stuff for so long now, I don't even have to think about it, because I'm keep repeating myself and keep going over and over and over it, right? So it's basically become easier, right? I basically don't have to think about it so much anymore, because I'm just doing it right now. So yeah, guys, and a lot of you guys say, but look, now the prices went up. No, guys, this is the interest rates. Just check on your investing.com. This is our interest rates. That is why I was closing my positions earlier, because I did notice that news is coming out. That is how I'm trading. Before news is coming out, I always get out of my position because I know what will happen, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. So if you're new to the channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Rich gang, you know how it goes, guys. So let's go.